If you've been injured on a job and you went to one of the workers' comp doctors and later to find out that the workers' comp doctors do not do PPD rating, and now you do have a lawyer already, and now they're in limbo as to if you would have to. Well, that doctor don't want to refer you to another doctor. I guess they're redirecting it back to workers' comp. What would you do?
John, got some advice here?
Well, it depends on the situation, and in many cases where a workers' comp doctor has treated you for that long and you've gotten to the point where it's time for a permanent partial disability rating, for which that means you've reached maximum medical improvement, there's really nothing more that the doctor's going to be able to do for you to treat you. And in that situation, what often happens is people, or injured workers, will get a functional capacity evaluation from someone else, and they'll actually perform the PPD rating. The doctor doesn't have to worry about referring you to another physician. He refers you to a physical therapist who does that kind of rating if he or she doesn't do the PPD rating themselves. And I think that's usually what we find. Joe, what do you think?
Yeah, Tiffany, do you did the last doctor you saw, do you have any restrictions from that doctor?
She's called Tiffany.
Well, you know, and what I normally think is that I'm assuming that the last doctor Tiffany saw did not give her any restrictions and released her back to full duty, and that might be the reason he or she's not referring her for a functional capacity evaluation or PPD rating. You know, I'd suggest maybe you know, picking another doctor on the panel, getting in with them, and hopefully they'll have a different opinion as to whether or not you have any permanent restrictions and therefore would justify a PPD rating.